Today I'm going to show you how to use a plastic welder gun from AliExpress. This is a super cheap device. It is just around 20 US dollars or around 15 euros. Nothing special, nothing complicated. The most important thing about welding gun is these metal inserts. They come in variety of shapes and you should have a handful of them. First we're gonna weld this flat surface. You want where there is breaking point to connect two healthy sides with each other. Angle here, basically it is a flat line where we want to use tip like this. Press the power button, wait for tip to get hot, and relatively fast you're gonna get this molten lava look. Put it inside until it is not visible, wiggle it a bit left and right, and where it is done, leave it. Don't immediately pull it out. Wait for plastic to cool down and then take it out, and you get something like this. You see here I made mistake here. You can always go back like this, press the button again, and keep plastic going inside a little bit more. Turn it off, wait for it to cool down, and voila, we have the first spot welded. And you can see here that it still wiggles. Now we need to do another side. On this side I'm gonna use a more narrower metal insert because I want to go here completely on the edge, so I can do a few of these, like here, 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 2, 3. So let it go hot. It goes inside really easily. Turn it off. Remember to wear the mask if you're in a closed space. Always have ventilation because this plastic is poisonous. And you see now we already have a fixed part, but I want to add a few more because I feel better when I do that. Let it go hot, go inside. You see how the plastic melts, wiggle it a bit, and stop. Excellent. We can repeat one here on the top, so we can get a better weld, because the first shape of the insert wasn't the best for this, but I had already inserted it. At this point you want to get your tweezers, and these are designed to snap, so just wiggle them like this. Like this, I made a mistake. Now I have broken part looking outside. You don't want to do that. I mean, there are situations when you cannot avoid that, even you got too deep with metal insert, like I did here. You see how this one snaps really easily. Yep, I went too deep with this one because I was recording and I wasn't looking too closely. You don't want to get this because you cannot snap these at the breaking point where they are from factory weakened. To fix that, you just cut them off. Take care about your eyes. Now we have a bit complicated weld. It is a plastic part like this, so we need to weld it at the angle. I'm gonna again use a flat insert because I want to weld like this. So let's start. The first one is the hardest one, so don't hurry up. Wait for the plastic to get inside like this, and a bit twist it and leave it. I mean, it is not perfect, but this is not a crucial part, so we can leave it with this. And we are in. Twist it a bit and let it cool down. It is already sturdy. Now we're gonna do an angled one. So it's gonna go like this. See how it goes in. Go deep. Twist. Off. Wait. Out. This is super sturdy. I mean, the healthy one is flexing more than this one. You save the money, learn something new, subscribe. Links are down below in the description and comments. See ya.